You want to create AI podcasts like this, just only one click.
Welcome to Tech Horizons, your weekly dive into the future of technology. I'm Alex.
And I'm Maya. Today, we're exploring the most exciting tech trends of 2025 that are reshaping our world.
Welcome to this AI tool, your all-in-one AI creative assistant. AI tool is designed to help you turn your ideas into stunning visual and audio content with just a few words. Whether you're creating podcast covers, brand images, product mock-ups, video content, or entire website layouts, the AI tool handles it all using the power of artificial intelligence. It generates images, scripts, voiceovers, and even full project layouts automatically. You can start from a simple text prompt, use templates, or explore existing examples for inspiration. From digital art and content creation to branding and marketing, this AI tool is the perfect solution for artists, creators, entrepreneurs, and anyone who wants to bring their ideas to life quickly, easily, and beautifully. Let's get started. LoveArt is an AI-powered tool that helps you turn your ideas into stunning artworks with just a few words. With LoveArt, you can create a wide variety of AI-generated images. Whether you want digital artwork, character designs, realistic photos, fantasy scenes, logos, or even anime-style images, LoveArt makes it possible. You just need to describe what you want, and the AI will turn your words into visual art. It's a powerful tool for creative projects, social media content, marketing, storytelling, and much more. LoveArt works well alongside powerful AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and others. You can use ChatGPT to help you write creative prompts, come up with story ideas, or plan visual scenes. Then use LoveArt to turn those ideas into images. Now, let's sign up using your Google account. Signing up with Google is quick and easy. Just click the Continue with Google. Now we're on the LoveArt homepage. This is the main dashboard where you can start creating. Here, we can see some example artworks created with LoveArt. These samples show different styles and designs, including podcast covers, brand images, and various types of digital art. LoveArt can generate visuals for many purposes, whether you're creating content for a podcast, building a visual identity for your brand, or simply exploring creative digital artwork. The examples highlight how flexible and powerful the tool is. Here, we're exploring a cutting jelly ASMR concept. LoveArt can generate multiple images and even video clips from a single text prompt. Just by describing your idea, like cutting jelly in an ASMR style, the tool creates several visual results that match your theme. It's a fast and creative way to bring your ideas to life with just a few words. It generates everything automatically on its own. Once you enter your prompt, LoveArt uses AI to create the images or videos without needing any extra input. You don't have to design anything manually. The tool handles it all by itself, saving you time and effort. We can also use its templates. LoveArt offers ready-made templates that help you create images more easily. Now, let's look at another example. Sunday Labcast, When Einstein Met Curie. This is a creative concept generated by LoveArt using just a single prompt. It imagines a scientific discussion or collaboration between two of history's greatest minds, Albert Einstein and Marie Curie. With only a few words, LoveArt transforms the idea into a unique and visually engaging image, making it perfect for a podcast cover, video thumbnail, or educational project. Here you can explore and learn from different examples to improve your own creations. LoveArt offers a variety of sample designs and styles, including podcast covers, artistic illustrations, branding visuals, and more. You can use these examples for inspiration or even build your own versions based on them. Now we have another type of content to explore, dream art brand design. LoveArt can also be used to create branded items like cups, umbrellas, and t-shirts. This feature lets you turn your ideas into real-world product designs, making it perfect for merchandise, marketing, or personal use. Now we're going to create some content. This is the main dashboard where everything begins. Here, you'll see the prompt box. This is where you type or paste your idea. After entering your prompt, simply click the Run button. After clicking the Run button, the process begins automatically. LoveArt first generates an execution plan and creates a podcast script based on your prompt. Within a few seconds, it also starts generating the voice for your podcast. The entire process is fast, smooth, and handled by the AI. No manual steps needed. Once the voice is generated, LoveArt begins creating images using its Flux model. After a short wait, the images are ready. Now, you simply need to choose the image you want to use as the visual for your podcast. This final step lets you match your content with the most fitting and eye-catching design. After selecting the image, the final process begins. Lovart combines the script, voice, and selected image to generate the complete podcast. Once the process is finished, you can watch and listen to your fully generated podcast, all created from a single prompt.
Welcome to Tech Horizons, your weekly dive into the future of technology. I'm Alex.
And I'm Maya. Today, we're exploring the most exciting tech trends of 2025 that are reshaping our world.
The generated podcast is around 2 minutes and 30 seconds long. As we continue watching, we can see that the video quality is excellent. Everything looks clean, professional, and visually impressive. The voice, visuals, and overall presentation come together perfectly, making it feel like a polished, ready-to-publish piece of content. Now, this is our second project, creating a stationary website. We'll use Lovart to design visuals and content that fit perfectly for a stationary-themed site. Now we will paste our single prompt into the box. After that, simply click the Run button to start the creation process. Now the process begins, and Lovart is thinking and creating a smart plan. It analyzes the prompt and organizes the steps needed to generate the best possible content for your stationary website. His plan is to first generate images using ChatGPT to help create the best, most unique website. Lovart maintains your homepage styles and design recommendations. It ensures that the images and content it creates match your website's overall look and feel, keeping everything consistent and visually appealing. First, it generates an image of a diary with a branded pen. This visual can be used as part of your stationary website to showcase product design or branding concepts. Another image generated is a notepad. This complements the stationary theme and adds variety to the website's visuals. It's generating many different types of items to make the website look amazing. Lovart creates a variety of visuals to enhance your site's design and give it a unique professional feel. After generating all the website objects, Lovart now creates the layout. It arranges the images and content to build a well-structured, visually appealing website design. Now our website's homepage is ready. Everything looks perfect. All the objects and items are placed just right, creating a clean and attractive design. The website designed using Lovart is fully customized and visually appealing. Each element, from product images like diaries, branded pens, and notepads to layout design, is carefully crafted to match the stationary theme. Lovart ensures consistency in colors, fonts, and styles to create a professional look. The homepage is user-friendly, with a clean arrangement that highlights important products and information clearly. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.